So this is the interior of the NC Miata factory muffler. It's super quiet. So I cut inside the rivets so I didn't have to cut rivets. And those are the pieces to ply. And I'm gonna just kind of gut it out, make it a little noisier if possible. We'll see. I think that's the best I can do with just the saw grinder. Those are the pieces I got out. I think it'll flow right in there and right out the pipes. Not pretty, but nobody's gonna see that. Hopefully it'll sound better. And there's the car. My two toys. This one was way too quiet.